21st century has seen a birth of new technology and various art forms. But it has also witnessed the death of our traditional and yesteryear art and culture. In our busy life, we have forgotten about things which haven't changed with the time. Rajasthan string puppetry is one of them and the most vibrant aspect of Indian culture. The puppets are known as Katputli. Kat means wood, Putli means puppet. They are the part of a traditional performance of puppetry, narrating an event from history, myth, or legend, complete with music and speech. These gorgeous and colorful puppets are hand carved using wood and cloth. Carving hardwood into a puppet, capable of doing complex maneuvers, is a specialized art. It includes a lot of training and practice to acquire these special skills.
ये लकड़ी का काम करते करते मेरे को कम से कम 40-45 साल हो गई।
But as the demand for this craft is on a major decline, it is getting difficult for these craftsmen and the next generation to keep this art alive.
मार्केट में इसकी डिमांड अब क्या, अब तो लोहे का फर्नीचर चल रहा है, इसकी डिमांड कहाँ, इसकी डिमांड तो बिल्कुल कम हो गई है। अब ऐसा काम मिल जाता कभी 200 का कर लेते हैं, काम मिल जाता कभी 100 का कर लेते हैं, और कभी काम मिलता नहीं मिलता कभी बैठे रहते हैं।
They are now looking for alternate resources to earn their livelihood. It won't be long that this exquisite art of carving puppets will be lost forever. The puppeteers, having family traditions, practice this art of puppetry. The elder members of the family train their children to acquire the skills of making and manipulating the puppets.
आम की लकड़ी होती है तो बच्चों को औजार देते भाई सीखो, पहले बनाना सीखो, फिर उसके रंग पेंटिंग सीखो, फिर सिलाई भी सीखो, फिर नचाना भी सीखो।
होलिया में उड़े रे गुलाल कयोरी मांगे तरी से, कयोरी मांगे तरी से, कयोरी मांगे तरी से, होलिया में।
The tradition of handmade string puppets of Rajasthan is more than 1,000 years old.
काम करें हमारे दादा परदादे शाहजहाँ के दरबार से, शाहजहाँ बादशाह थे ना, उसी से कठपुतली चली थी अमर सिंह राठौड़ की।
Since then, the puppeteers travel from one place to another to communicate meaningful messages, to educate people, and create general awareness with joy, entertainment, enrichment, and artistic satisfaction. Art has no boundaries or limitations. Indian puppeteers are taking this traditional art to international level to represent the country and the government which provides no support to artists like them.
अभी मैं दुबई होके आया हूँ और अपने नॉर्वे होके आया हूँ, हॉलैंड होके आया हूँ। हमारा हिंदुस्तान का ऊंचा नाम करके आते हैं, बिल्कुल, लेकिन गवर्नमेंट ने अभी तक हमारी कोई सहायता नहीं की।
केसरिया बालम पधारो मारा देश।
Since the earliest times, puppets have been used to animate and communicate the ideas and needs of human societies. They are now battling tough to survive with economic hardships that they are facing because of the competition with new technology and influence of cinema, television, and video.
कोई ना हमारी कोई सरकारी नौकरी है ना सर्विस है, यही हमारी नौकरी है, यही हमारी फैक्ट्री है, इसी से हमारा गुजारा।
Let's protect and do what we can to keep this art alive, or it will be only available in the form of documents for our future generations.
पधारो मारा देश, पधारो मारा देश।